3, 4.
Hi guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's another day, another video, and today happens to be my son's birthday. I'm saying it's my son's birthday because it's midnight on the 15th of January, like it's 0007. So it's my son's birthday and I'm in the kitchen trying to bake him a cake because yeah, this year he wanted something simple. He wanted to go have pizza and some chicken. He just wants an intimate thing. But then I was like, he will really need a cake. So I am trying to bake him a cake at night at this point in time. So it's at night. That is why I am not gonna be shouting and I'm not as hyper as usual. But if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining us today. I appreciate that you have clicked on another of our videos, and yeah, I love it so much. If you're new here, my name is Alice Ritho and I do family-based content. I do a lot of family vlogs. That means I involve my family in a lot of my vlogs. I do cooking, I do cleaning, I do days in my life, and a bit of skincare here and there. So if that's your kind of content, kindly consider subscribing, okay? So I just don't want to make this video long because it's gonna incorporate maybe a bit of what we do in terms of his birthday. So let me get right into baking this cake. I am trying to bake a Black Forest cake. Then let me tell you, we went hunting for whipped cream, and I really wanted to use the Pristine white whipped cream, but our local supermarket, not local, Naivas supermarket if you're Kenyan, did not have. But then I came across this Kent whipped cream. It's cocoa whipped cream, like it's gonna be brown. I don't know how my cake is gonna turn out because I think Black Forest should go with white cream, but we're gonna be using brown cream to use. And then I didn't find cherries and I didn't find strawberries. I don't even know what is happening. I think it's because it's January, but we're gonna work with what we have. So we're going to be using brown whipped cream, and it's powdered form, by the way. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do that tomorrow because we're going to ice the cake in the morning. We can't ice it right now. So yeah, so we're going to be using that and some sprinkles because we couldn't find strawberries. So yeah, let's get down to making this cake. So for the cake, you need about a cupful of butter. And when I say cupful, I don't even know how to put in measurements. I think it's 150 grams, I think. Then you need like 2 tablespoons of cocoa. You need 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder and a half teaspoon of salt. I'm going to list all that here. You need 6 eggs. For a forest cake, you need a lot of eggs, apparently. And then you need about a 1/3 cup of cooking oil. You need your vanilla essence. You need sugar. This is about 1.5 cups, just because I don't want my cake to be too sweet. And this is 3 cups of all-purpose flour. So yeah, that's what you need. And you're going to start by separating your eggs, the egg white and egg yolk. And then from there, it's gonna just be flowing. You're gonna follow what I'm doing, okay? So I hope you stick around to the end and you enjoy this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, kindly hit that subscribe button, hit the bell next to it. And if you're blessed, like you're really blessed and you feel like you can bless me too, hit that join button, okay? And become a member of my channel. That will really support me as a content creator. So thank you. Let's get down to making this cake.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. highways till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
so we are going to pour our cake into this pan, and then we're going to be baking it at 160 degrees Celsius for 50 minutes. Okay, I would recommend 180 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. That one is much better. 160 degrees Celsius, I had to check it twice for it, like until it was ready. So I would rather go with the normal setting of 180 degrees Celsius for 40 to 45 minutes. Okay, so yeah.
The next day.
So this is the cocoa whipped cream. And let's see how, I've never seen it before, but you're supposed to mix it with milk or water, and you're supposed to use 200 ml of refrigerated milk. Okay, I thought they said 150 ml. Okay, they're so confused to these people. Like they say like 1 glass. I don't know whether you'll see. They're saying 1 glass 200 ml, and then they say mix 150 ml of milk with 1 bag of the whipping cream. So me, I'm gonna go in the safer side, use 150 ml. So there are 2 packs. There are 2 packs inside. So there's this and there's this. So there are 2 packs inside. So this 1 pack is what you're supposed to use with 150 ml of milk. Okay. Yeah. So let's see how this goes. Let's see. I want to hurry up because my house manager is going to charge, and I have to handle the kids too. Yeah.
Shine bright up all night, we're never slowing down. Fall in love, drunk mistakes, we're bound to hit the ground. Gotta keep this feeling
how the cake turned out. I couldn't show you last night because I was tired. I was really tired. I just went to bed. But this is how it looks like. We're gonna decorate it real fast. I'm not gonna show you that part. I'm just gonna show you the finished product, then we're done. Look at the cake. Oh my god.
That is my cake for my birthday.
This is sugar syrup, and I have added it to the cake. Like, you just pour it over the cake and just let it soak in before you put the layer of cream. Okay, so yeah, this is actually a process you have to do for every forest cake, whether white or black. So yeah, the first layer, make sure you're generous with your cream before you put the other one on top. Okay, so yeah, I'm not gonna show you, I just need to show you the nitty-gritties, but I won't show you everything. I think I'm doing a pretty good job. So this is the first coating. We're gonna put it in the fridge, and then we're gonna come back and do the final coating. Okay, so yeah, so this is the final product. This is what I managed to do.
That is my cake, not his. My cake.
Yeah, so I put some sprinkles and some coconut on one side. I don't know why it's so hard to turn around. Anyway, yeah, so we're just gonna put some candles. What am I even doing? Anyway, so yeah, that is it for our cake. Looks beautiful. Thank you.
How did you get some sprinkles?
I did a supermarket.
So this is much later, and we are headed out to get some pizza. The cake, we're going to come back later in the evening to cut it with some of his friends. We haven't invited a lot of people, just the estate kids that they play with. So for now, we're going to grab some pizza, and then we're going to take him for swimming because that was his birthday wish, and then we are going to come back. So I hope you stick around for that part as well.
Birthday boy. Say hi.
Hi guys.
Oh, you came and tucked your way into my heart. Oh, you look at me in ways I never loved. With you I know that this is all, so I don't need to take it slow. If you want me, then I believe that there's a simple remedy. We don't need no miracle, I think we've seen it all, just make the call. I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle, it's unconditional, just make the call, and I'll be yours. I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle, it's unconditional, just make the call, and I'll be yours. Don't need a miracle. Need a Oh, you open up a world behind the stars. Oh, you make me see the things I
So I would say this is our local pizza joint. It's called the Flame Flavors. Normally we would go to Pizza Inn at Bypass, but on this day we were going for swimming at Juja, so we decided to pop in Juja City Mall for the pizzas, and they have amazing offers. Like you can see, you get 2 large pizzas at 1600. You get soda free 2 liters. If you get 2 medium pizzas, 1300, and an extra like 2 liter soda. Normally the large pizza is 1000 bob, the medium one is 800, and the small one is 500. And they also have other foods besides pizza. They have chicken and chips, they have burgers, and they have wings. So whatever you fancy, you're gonna get, and the prices are really, really affordable, if you may ask me. So then they have different flavors of their pizza. They have peri peri, bow wow, Hawaiian, barbecue chicken, the barbecue steak, and the chicken cumin. So all these are, they even have a vegetarian one, so you can get any. And on Tuesdays you get to buy one and get one free. So if you're ever in the area, you can try it out.
Wazazi. Ndio watu wazazi. How does it feel to have a 7-year-old?
They make someone feel nice and responsible. Now I feel how my parents used to feel when I was young and getting old. The most what do you call it? Surprising thing is that we are not getting old, and our kids are getting old.
True. A message for Tyron. You will see in 30 years.
Tyron, I wish you a happy birthday. May you live long to celebrate more birthdays. May God keep you safe. May you remain healthy. And we are proud of you. You are such a nice boy. And we are always proud of you. You have been nice to us. And bringing you up, it's always fun. And actually, it brings more happiness as you grow out in our family. You are the first one. Always act responsibly. Happy birthday, son.
Thank you. Now, Marieta anataka ukumbuke akicheka. Unaona venye anacheka?
Hi guys. I'm so proud to be 700. I'm so happy, and I'm so happy to be in grade 2. Thank you.
No, no.
And you're so happy too?
Go to grade 2.
Hi guys. Ambia hi T. Happy birthday T. I'm happy to be 7.
Here too.
Sijui unataka kujiambia nini?
You gotta notice, hey, I'm falling in love. You're feeling something, hey, you cannot control. Just in time you came, and you changed all my perspective. Just in time you came, and I love it, I love it. It's so great to have in my life, make me feel so lucky, yeah. It's so great to have in my life, make me feel so.
So once we were done, we headed to Chem Chem Gardens. I have shared this place with you before. It's a garden along, you know, the Juja South Estate Road, like the Juja Farm Road. Yeah, it is just a few meters from Juja Center. So it is a really nice place where your family can chill out. They have a swimming pool. They have a few fun games for the kids, and they have a restaurant where you can buy yourself some food. So it's a really nice place to just go and chill. So we took the kids there to have some good old fun time, and then yeah, so
empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Oh no,
wow, time is up. We really had a fun time here, but it's time to head home because it's around 6 and we want to go and hold the bash before the dark comes in so that we can be able to release the kids to go home early. So yeah, it's more of an impromptu birthday. Like, we really didn't want to have a birthday, but we can't cut the cake alone, so that's the only reason why we are inviting kids over. So yeah, this is us heading home so that we can just go cut the cake and be done with the day. Please tell me what you think about this video so far. If you have watched to this point, thank you so much. I do appreciate that you have stuck with me to this point. For my Premier Gang, thank you for being here. I treasure you guys. Thank you so much for having this kind of support. I really do appreciate you anyway. And yeah, so karibuni sana.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Taylor. Happy
And I thought it was you.
What?
Was it you? Was it you 2? Was it you 3? Was it you 4? Was it you 5? Was it you 6? Was it you 7? Was it you 8? Umeme kuishi kweli? Hiyo yako ni faster. Haya, sawa basi. Keki. Good, mpigeni makofi. Yeah, so this is how our Black Forest cake turned out. It was so good. The camera at this point is not even doing it justice because it is battery low. But anyway, then we gave the kids some snacks to go with the cake, and that was it for the birthday. So thank you so much for watching to this point. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and then I hope to see you in my next video. If you haven't subscribed at this point, kindly consider subscribing, okay, please, and give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Yeah.